Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to explain the AuthVaultix tamper protection system and show you a live demonstration. The anti-tamper system is already included in the AuthVaultix SDK. If you scroll to the bottom section of the authvaultix.cs file, you will find the anti-tamper class and the BadProcesses list. The BadProcesses list already contains the names of some common tools. If you want, you can add additional process names based on your own requirements. Now let's see how to enable it in your application. First, you need to add the anti-tamper setup code to your main form. After that, call AntiTamper. Check inside a timer or any location of your choice. When the application is running, AntiTamper continuously monitors suspicious processes in the background. Now let's take a look at a live demo. First, I will open Cheat Engine. Then I will launch the application and try to log in. As soon as the anti-tamper check runs, the system detects the cheat engine process. Once detected, the application immediately takes action and blocks access. In this example, you can see that when tampering is detected, the application does not continue running normally. This provides an additional layer of protection against reverse engineering and common cheating tools. In this way, you can add an extra security layer to your protected application. For more information, visit authvaultix.com. Thanks for watching.